Thank you, mommy.
Uhambela simila kaya muni uhambela kaya uyakhuluma
umntanami uqalele Lighthouse ena 6 months ngoba isikhathi se-COVID wayeqala. So today I'm very happy ukuthi umntanami ukhulele Lighthouse kahle kahle. Bamphathe kahle, imagine umntwana ngaleso sikhathi esinzima, but ama-teachers they made sure ukuthi umntwana baba safe. So ngiyababonga kakhulu ama-teachers today. Ngiyababonga for bonke ama-parents akhona lana, kahle kahle ngibonga on behalf of ama-parents. Siyabonga kakhulu ma-teachers, lokhu elikwenzayo liqhubekele phambili, likwenza labunye nabazali abanye abalandelayo. Siyabonga kakhulu guys, singabashayela izandla.
Aunties, uncles, someone. Thank you.
Sanibonani bazali. Thanda ukubonga kini lonke lithela enelisa ukuthi badale i-graduation yabantwana kwayisini izandla zenu ezelulekileyo kuba abantu bethu abekho lapha namhlanje. Thanda ukubonga labo thisha bethu. Bonga kakhulu enganeni yami uMzingaye. Utshitshile kakhulu umntanami Shema Fuqamba Manga. Nasendlini nje bengingasazi isilungu kodwa sengisazi kungenxa yakhe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu amathisha ase-Lighthouse, into abayenzileyo iyancomeka kakhulu. Nginethemba wonke umntwana ose-Lighthouse isilungu siyinto yakhe ya everyday. Owami uzowafunda nokuthandaza. Siyabonga kakhulu amathisha ase-Lighthouse. Nginekhulumayo umama kaMzingaye Mpofu.
Thank you.
What do you again? Okay, say, please. One more.
Siyami phela yami.
Sanibona bazali.
Yebo.
Njani?
Siyaphila.
Nami ngithanda ukubonga nje i-Lighthouse Nkosiyami. Sithi nje umntanami ona-14 years bonke bayakhona. Impatho yakhona, imalo yakhona, nokukhulisela nje abantwana. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ngibonga bonke othisha base-Lighthouse. Bonke uPrincipal Maria, bonke nje ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga bakithi.
Thank you. Clack it. Yeah, they must play a song. Ibadlala ipina. Must play a song. Guys, I'll see you later on. Because I'm going on a date. Oh, okay.
Hey, I'm singing a nice you. I don't want to eat.
You dumelang batswadi le kae? Ninjani sanibonani ninjani? Ngiyaphila nami ngiyabonga ngibonga uThitha Maria i-Lighthouse umntanami uhambe ane 2 months manje une 5 years ngibonga kakhulu i-Lighthouse i-right uThitha Maria uzenzele into enkulu endlini sikhuluma isilungu makhuluma isilungu sithi thina simu-replya ngesipedi siyamapedi umuntu uzombuza wathi what are you saying? So uyabona masesisemakhaya umntwana ukhuluma isilungu abantu bathi la kusemakhaya la athi so ngithanda ukubonga i-Lighthouse ama-teacher onke abo-teacher Faith, teacher Ntombi, teacher Lydia ngibonga kakhulu u-teacher Maria siyabonga sibongile nenze umsebenzi omkhulu nasiphusha ngama-graduation fees besibhizi yabona sonke siyazi ukuthi sinezinkinga abazali siyabonga u-teacher Maria masi isiZulu mase asimshayeleni izandla u-teacher Maria bazali asimshayeleni uyenza umsebenzi omkhulu ngiyabonga ningathathi yonke isikhathi
Now we're gonna hand over to Mr. Philemon to just say a few words.
Hi.
Bonjour, Abshen,
Minjani.
My name is Philemon. We are your host this